OMC once the king of virtual world in Arena, the top tier MMORPG game on the planet, and was unbeatable. He was ranked first globally, first in character level, first in collision points. You named it, he ruled it. His name was the legendary Male God. He wasn't just good, he was a god tier. People probably worship him like he was a messiah of pixelated violence. But in a plot twist that no one asked for, he decided to focus on real life. Yeah, because that never fights back, right? One day he tell his gaming buddy, I am done with gaming forever. No regret, it's just a part of life and I played it as a hobby. Time to join military and take over my dad's company. Like yeah, he probably do. But fast forward 2 years later, our guy is now working part-time at convenience store, earning about $8.90 per hour. Yep, that's the life of super rich hire. Now scanning cheap snack and asking would you like receipt with that? Who would have thought the future CEO of Dentsu Construction would be selling sodas to teenagers? It's like he logged off from being God and he swapped as the final boss of Loservilla. Life hit him harder than a boss raid on steroids. He went from running an empire in game to fighting off boredom during his graveyard shift. Remember when he said games were just for fun, not a way to make living. Turn out eating ramen for every meal kinda makes you reconsider that whole fun thing. Now instead of inheriting a company, he inherits lower back pain from standing for 8 hours a day. So what does our hero do? He makes the logical decision. He goes back to Arena. This is his redemption arc. Except instead of saving the world, he tried to save his wallet because money is more important than the world. Forget that speech about real life being more important. Turned out real life kinda sucks when you are not a god. Who knew? Now he is grinding his way back to the top like his life depends on it. Because let's be honest, it's kind of does because he has to earn money to feed himself. And here's the thing, he still got all the hidden quests, the secret loot locations, the hack nobody else knows. It's like speedrunning life while everyone else is stuck on the tutorial level. Watching him play is like watching Elbon dunk on toddlers. Funny now, but also a little bit sad for everyone else. He is leveling up so fast the game probably thinks he is cheating. But no, he is just desperate. Desperation is the best power up in life. So before you judge him for crawling back to the game, remember this, split milk cannot be unsplitted. But at least you can mop it with some in-game loots. Now go read this thing yourself because unlike OMC you don't have a virtual world to escape to. And honestly, good luck with your life, it probably sucks almost as much as his. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates.